Markets are getting clobbered. What's the problem? What's up, everyone? Welcome aboard. It's Todd Bubba Horowitz on Bubba's Daily Update and coming to you live from Las Vegas. And of course, as we suspected, last week's rally was nothing more than the dead cat bounce. And of course, today we're seeing the continuation of the Thursday and Friday selling. Now we're getting hammered today. And of course, every expert wants to tell you that these markets are fine and just continue to buy. But what we're really seeing here is a tech wreck. As we saw last week when Apple ticked off with their earnings and then Skyworks and all the others that are involved, Apple is getting clobbered for many reasons, but the biggest reason is that the economy is not quite as good. Remember, we've got too much debt. We're going to have a lot more expense coming in. So companies, although their profits may be good, their expense and bottom line is not going to be as good. So that will continue to cause some selling and some pressure. We're seeing companies continue to make the excuse of dollar, too strong of a dollar. Today, the dollar is breaking out to new recent highs. And of course, why don't they hedge the dollar? That's one of the questions I always wonder. Then we've got, of course, oil. Tried to rally and, of course, failed getting near our 58 target. So we look for oil to get to 58 before a little bit of a bounce and then down into the 40s. Grains were kind of mixed, but wheat, as we suspected, took off to the upside. Cattle and meats were somewhat mixed today. Again, they were a little bit higher. I think we got a lot of issues here in the general markets. Bonds zoomed a little bit higher, but we would expect to be able to sell those as well. So the bottom line here is we're looking for an opportunity to sell. I would expect to see a rip your face off rally in the next day or two. And after that, this is the opportunity now. I think the selling will get really heavy between now and Thanksgiving. Every rally should be sold, and then I think we'll see the Santa Claus rally. But in the meantime, strong dollar, bonds are going to, higher interest rates is going to create a much bigger sell-off. Bitcoin still looks pretty solid. It's holding up well even throughout all these markets. That'll do it for today's Bubba's Daily Update. We got a football game tonight. We like the San Francisco 49ers. We'll see you back here tomorrow from Las Vegas with Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much.